Hello everyone, Kieran Crabtree here, and welcome to the Dinosaur Discovery. On the last review, we took a look at the Jurassic World Dino Rivals Attack Pack Velociraptor Echo figure. Link is in the description to that review. For today's review, we are going to be continuing our look at the Raptor Squad from the Dino Rivals toy line. And as you can see, we're going to be reviewing one of my personal favorite raptors in the squad, and that is Velociraptor Charlie. So, taking a closer look at the packaging, we have a picture of the T-Rex, the Triceratops, and Owen. We have the Dino Rivals logo, 3+, Velociraptor Charlie, and it says 1 collector card. There's the collector card right there. In the very background, we have a picture of the skeleton. We basically have a skull of the Tyrannosaurus Rex. We have the Jurassic World logo here. And if we take a look at the very back of the box, we have some of the other figures you can collect. And as you can see, this figure was purchased at TJ Maxx for $5.99. This is collect Velociraptor Charlie, which is the star of our review today, the Draco Rex, the Mosasaurus, and the Attack Pack Proceratosaurus, the Dino Rivals version. I have all of these figures except for the Proceratosaurus. That is the next Attack Pack figure that I'm planning on getting. I really like the color scheme on that one. Unfortunately, this is covering its head, though. We have some information about the Jurassic World Facts app, and then we have the Mattel logo right here. So that's pretty much it with the box, so let's go ahead and get the figure out. Alright, got our Velociraptor Charlie, and now for the collector card. Alright, here is the collector card, and it actually looks pretty cool. We have a very cool image of Velociraptor Charlie, then we have some stats. Strength is 6, speed is 9, intelligence is 10, and aggression is 8. So it's not as aggressive as some of the other raptors, which their aggression is at number 9. On the very back of the card, we have the Dino Rivals logo and the Jurassic World logo. So that's a pretty cool card. This is card 33. And yeah, I'm really liking these Dino Rivals cards. Alright, let's take a look at the Velociraptor Charlie figure herself. Now, it looks really good in my opinion. I don't think it looks completely like Charlie in the film. Like, the pattern on its back doesn't really match up to Charlie the Velociraptor. Charlie more had, like, green stripes, not like a green pattern. But, I mean, it still looks pretty cool. If we take a look at the sculpt, the head sculpt, we can let the camera focus. The head sculpt looks pretty nice. Now, a lot of people think that this is a repaint of the Attack Pack Velociraptor Delta and Blue the Velociraptor, but it actually has different legs than those figures. So technically, this figure is different than those. And I actually like the legs on this figure more so than the Delta figure, which I have right here, and as you can see, there definitely is a big difference. These legs on Charlie are a little bit more straight, while these on Delta are a little bit more bent. So I really like that Mattel made that difference with the Raptors, because, in my opinion, it would be pretty lazy of them if they just repainted the whole entire figure. So the sculpt on this figure is definitely really nice. Of course, the feet are enlarged, but that's to help this figure stand. Here's the Jurassic World Facts app scan code, if you want to scan it and add it to your collection, and here's the Jurassic World official mark, which is a T-Rex skeleton. So, I really like the sculpt on this figure. It's identical to the Raptors in the Jurassic Park films, and yeah, if we take a look at the paint job, there really isn't that much at all. We just have this green pattern on its back and on the very back of its head. Again, it's not really spot on to Charlie the Velociraptor. It definitely could have been better. Another thing is they definitely could have painted the toe claws, but none of the Raptors, or for that matter, none of the Attack Pack figures that Mattel has released have paint on their claws. And there's also paint on the very inside of the mouth. The jaw can't open as wide as some of the other Raptor figures. There's some pink paint for its tongue and some yellowish-whitish paint for its teeth. And even its little skin flaps are painted pink as well. So overall, there really isn't that much paint. There definitely could have been more. I wish maybe they put I don't think they could have put anything on the belly. That wouldn't really be screen accurate. But they definitely could have painted the claws. And I think this figure would have looked a whole lot better if they did that. So now for articulation, there really isn't that much at all. You can bend the legs. They can do a 360, the arms are articulated, and the jaw is, and that is pretty much it. The tail can't rotate or anything. So, overall, it it's a pretty good figure, definitely could have been better. Charlie the Velociraptor, if you guys don't know, is my second favorite raptor in the group, and I think that this is a very poor representation of Charlie the Velociraptor. Now, it's not as bad as the Echo the Velociraptor figure, but it's pretty close. So, yeah. So, for a rating on this figure, I'm going to have to give this figure a 6 out of 10 stars, or even a 5.9 out of 10 stars. Again, like I mentioned, the claws could have been painted, and it could have had a little bit more articulation. Well, alright, this has been the Dinosaur Discovery. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified of any future videos, and I will see you in the next review. Thank you so much for watching.